Now I will show you how to add a menu item to your menu here. So you can add your pages, your product category, or actually whatever you want directly here into your menu in the header of your store. So for doing that, you want to go to your dashboard. And when you are in your dashboard, you want to go to My Store and Menu. Then here, when you are in the menu, you will have the most recent page that you can just add super quickly by just ticking the box and then adding to menu. You can do the same with your post, which is your blog article. So at the moment we don't have any, but later in this course we will see how to create a blog as well. And you can also add custom links to your menu. So for example, if you want to put your About Us page like that, then you just get the URL of this page and you can just paste it here. So we don't have the About Us page yet on the store. So for example, I will just put google.com for now. You add this to your menu, and then if people click on About Us, they will go to this URL. Okay, so you want to put, of course, the URL of your About Us page. And to find the URL, you just go on the page, and it is what you have displayed here directly into your browser. You just copy paste that, and then people will go to this page. Then, if you want to change the label, you can change it here, and you can do the same for any item of your menu. You have the label every time, and so you can just change it if you want. Okay, then don't forget to save. And after, we can go on our store, and here we go, we got our menu. And if we click on the links, it goes to the right page. So this is how you can set up the menu on your Dototech store. And then if you want to delete an item, you can just click here and then click on remove. And here we go. We don't have the item anymore. And basically you can just come back here anytime and just add or remove item from your menu. It's very simple. It just takes a few clicks. And this is it. This is how you will be able to customize the menu on your store. Again, you can come back here anytime you want to add or remove pages. And that's it. Let's go to the next section.